Alright guys, welcome to this page of notes. What we're going to do is we're just going to continue now graphing some of these functions just to get more practice. I take a quick look at this and I notice the double brackets, and I know that that means I have a greatest integer function here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and set up an XY table. I'll pick a few points, and then once I get a general idea of what I think this guy's going to look like, I can just go ahead and keep it going without actually having to put in points, because I know that once I figure out how those line segments work, it'll continue that way through the entire graph. So here we go. Let's pick a few points that I think are going to be easy to do some math with, and let's see what we get. We're going to go ahead and start off with, let's start off with 0.5. Well, I plug a 0.5 in. 0.5 plus 2 would be 2.5. I need the greatest integer less than or equal to 2.5. Of course, that's a 2. Then I'm going to go to 1. Well, I plug a 1 in. 1 plus 2 is 3. The greatest integer less than or equal to 3. Well, that's itself. That's 3. What if I do 1.5? All right, well, 1.5 plus 2 is going to be 3.5. The greatest integer less than or equal to 3.5 would be 3. Let's go to 2. I have 2 plus 2 is 4. Greatest integer less than or equal to 4 would be 4. 2.5. Well, let's see here. 2.5 plus 2 would be 4.5. The greatest integer less than or equal to 4.5 would be 4. I wonder if I have enough information to go ahead and see if I can figure out what this graph looks like. When I'm at 0.5, my graph is up here at 2. So let me go ahead and put that point in there, right there at 2. When I get to 1, my graph is at 3. So 1, I'm up here at 3. So I'm going to go ahead and put my closed circle at 3, which means it has to be an open circle down here, which means the closed circle is going to be on this side. And I think I know what this guy's going to look like. So I'm going to go straight across to an open circle and then closed circle above. Straight across to an open circle, closed circle above. Straight across to an open circle. I could go the other way. Open circle down here. Straight across to a closed circle, open circle down here, straight across to a closed circle, and I can see what my stairs look like. I only need to try a few values to figure out where those first couple of steps are going to go, and then I know where the rest of them are going to be. Try as many of these points as you need to get comfortable with where those stairs are at, excuse me, where the closed circle and where the open circle is at, which end it is on, but that's what you should have gotten along with me. Head on over to the next page of notes and we'll try another graph. I'll meet you there.